Hello friends, today we will look at the process of making this model which is called a tetrahedron. This is made up of 4 sides and consists of equilateral triangles on all sides. This particular model is made up of 6 individual units. Let's get started. For creating the individual units, take a square paper. Once you have a square paper, you need to convert them into 2 rectangles by folding them in the center as shown. Make sure you have the measurements properly. Once you have created 2 rectangles, let's keep one piece aside. Take this individual piece of paper, fold it once again into half as shown. Once again, fold it as shown here. It should look something like this. Now, notice where we have created this particular crease. Take one edge and fold the paper from here till this line, and then turn this to create a shape such as this. Now turn it on the other side. Similarly, take the edge and the place where we have the crease, create a triangle like this, and then your unit should look something like this. Once you've come to this particular stage, you need to take the center and create a line there. Once you have that, take any one side and create a triangle such as this. Turn it over. You will see a small edge at the bottom, like this. Turn it around, do the same thing on the other side, and create your unit should look something like this. Once you have created this, open it on both sides, fold this edge here, fold this edge here, and this is how a unit should look. It's got an opening on one side, an opening on the other side, and it should have a diagonal cut in the center. It's very important to get this correctly because all the 6 units will be created as such, and then we will do the assembly. Let's do it one more time. Take the other rectangular paper, fold it in the center, fold it again, take any one edge and try to create a short triangle on the edge that we have created. Fold it like this, turn it over, take the other edge, once again crease it to the line that we have created, fold it like this. Your model should look something like this. Turn it over and create a center line. It should look something like this. Now the important step over here. Take this edge where we have created the center line and fold it here. You should see a small edge over here. Turn it around and create this flap here. Likewise, take this edge in the same place where we created the center. Turn it around. Your model should look something like this. Now open both the areas. Make sure you have the edges nicely creased on this side as well. We should see the diagonal in the center, and the piece should look something like this. Keep practicing this. This will come with a bit of practice. Once you have got the hang of how to create these individual units, then we can proceed to the next step. Let's get started with the assembly. I have my 6 units completed here. Note that I have used the units from the completed model which we showed at the beginning of this video. We did the individual units using the white paper. Please practice with the white paper first, and then once you are ready with the units, then you can also choose to make them in color paper. Let's get started. Take any one piece, take another piece. As you can see, we have a diagonal here. Insert one corner into one half of the diagonal as shown here. Likewise, take another piece, insert here in another top edge corner. If you turn the model, you will find exactly 3 pieces that will form one part of the triangle. Now turn it over, take another piece. We have already completed one half of the model. Now we will insert it into the second half of the model. This is over here. As you can see, again follow the same steps. Lift it from the bottom and put it here. Turn it over. You will see another open edge here. Insert it over there. Take this piece from the bottom, insert it here, and then in the remaining slot, insert this piece. We're done with 5 pieces now. So as you can see, once you get the hang of it, you will automatically realize that there will be only one slot left. Take the last piece, insert it into the open chamber that is there. Once again, take the item from the bottom, insert it into the slot. Likewise, take this particular element, insert it into the slot. And now turn it around on all sides and you will exactly find slots for fitting in all the models. All the units, once fitted properly, will exactly be half and half as shown here. Yeah, as you can see, the model is now completed. It has got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, and at the bottom. They are all equilateral triangles. Once you have joined all the pieces, what you need to do is keep gently pushing them at the edges so that it is nicely creased and all the models are nicely sticking together. This is an interesting exercise. This is, as I said, this is made up of 6 units. The same model can be made with 12 units and the model will look something like this. This has got 8 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. We are at the bottom 5, 6, 7, 8. And it's got 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, as you can see. The same model can also be made using 30 units. It looks something like this. This is a 5-sided figure. Yeah. So these models can go in increasing level of difficulty. But for today's exercise, we wanted to show you the basics and cover the 6 pieces model. We hope that you practice this particular model and see how interesting it can be, both from a creation perspective as well as the equilateral shape that you can see, and from whichever direction that you see, it will appear to be the same. Please follow the instructions and let us know in the comments if you had any difficulty in making the steps. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share it also with your friends. Thank you for watching today. SSS Magic.